Hi, lower school students. I hope you are doing well today. And today I wanted to talk to you about something that's kind of fun that can be a way to help yourself feel better if you're feeling any distress or discomfort. Today I'm going to walk you through how to create your own comfort kit, a way to nurture yourself when you don't feel great or you're having too many worry thoughts. A comfort kit is designed to be accessible when someone is experiencing strong emotions, and so it's helpful to be compact. I like to use a shoebox, something small that you can store in a place where you can find, whether it's in your room, in your play area, or somewhere else that's by your workstation. Items in a comfort kit are designed to promote positive feelings and internal relaxation so that you can take time to nurture your well-being and remind your nervous system that you are calm and cared for. Self-soothing is done using the 5 senses: sight, sound, touch, smell, and taste. The idea is to find items that help you cope during tough or uncomfortable situations. You can keep them in this designated area, and then you always have them accessible if you need them. Creating your own kit is easy. You don't necessarily have to go out and buy anything. Many of you will already have the items in your home already. Here are some ideas of items to help you create your own comfort kit at home. First, let's start with sight. Using our eyes helps us take our mind off of some of our negative thoughts. I've chosen a picture of my dog and me in our favorite hiking spot in Colorado on top of a mountain with a beautiful shimmering lake in the background. Next is a sparkly pin that belonged to my great-grandmother with her initials in the center. She passed away before I was born, but I cherish her memory and I love to think of her when I look at this pin. I have a little painting that I drew of a bird and some spring flowers that also reminds me that life is always changing and new growth is always coming around the corner. I have a beautiful card and note from a dear friend with loving and encouraging words inside. Next, let's talk about sound. This is a fun charm bracelet that I got in Paris that I really find comfort in when I hold it in my hand or wear it on my wrist. Next, for sound, is a playlist. I like to create playlists with songs that evoke certain memories. This one's called Good Times in Your Ears for when you want to feel happy and uplifted. Our next sense is smell. This is a bottle of rose-scented lotion from a hotel in New York, and I really love the smell of this. I have a candle that's from my hometown in San Francisco that smells divine, like a pine-scented forest, and it's handmade in California, which always brings me joy. The next sense that I want to include in my comfort kit is touch. Sometimes holding onto something shiny or rough, like a crystal, can help you calm down. Also, I have a denim patch with the sign for love that my dear friend Andrea made for me. I have a squeezy ball of a brain from a teaching organization that I love. Helps you when you're feeling a little stressed, as well as a bead and a rock that also bring me pleasant memories. This little heart was made by my niece, and it always brings me joy to think of her when I look at this little creation from when she was 3 years old. And finally, the sense of taste. Sometimes having a sip of a cold water or a hot cup of mint tea can really help us calm down. Here I have some mint tea, and it makes my mind relax and I feel great when I have a sip. Taking time for yourself to create a comfort kit is a fun project you can do on the weekend with your family, and always have it at your hand if you need a little trip down memory lane or a sense of relaxation. As ever, if you need help or want to talk about something that's on your mind, please tell your caregiver or your teacher, and I'm always here for you as your counselor. Bye.